She definitely is a bab. You know what that is. Big bow. Hi everyone, Becky here at Amber Marie & Company at 91st and Yale. Do I have some exciting news for you? If you haven't been in, you need to get in here. We have received a fabulous selection of good spring ribbon. Look at what I picked out today. I wanted to see how she makes up because I think she's going to be fabulous. I love to start with these 4 inches. Look at this stuff. Should we make a big bow? Let's make a big bow. Go big or go home, right? And I like to start with 3 loops. Kind of getting a measure on that first one just to make sure they're balanced. But isn't that the most beautiful spring blue? Gosh, I just love her. I have a tail going that way, but I'm more interested in kind of balancing how she hangs on the bottom. So again, I'm going to go off in that same direction. Let's move on to ribbon number 2. Look how pretty this girl is. She's a floral, the little gingham on the back side. It's in that same colorway as this harlequin print. She's a 2 inch, so I've made a big jump in size. So I think I'll do 3 of her as well. And since I have 2 over here and 1 over here, I'm going to start with my tail going off in this direction. If you do the math, I'll end up with 2 and 1. So it kind of balances it out. Do you all have your wreaths on your doors yet? It's time. And I have a fabulous selection of wreaths as well. So come in and pick out your wreath and pick out your ribbon collection. I have a lot of bows already pre-made. That makes it so easy. You can just go, oh, I love her, and I'll pop it on there for you. Okay, now then to go back in and have some fun with that first ribbon. I found her companion print, but she's more of a checkerboard. Is that what it is? Yeah. You know, a lot of times you're just creating a bow as you go. Saw that I did 3 and 3. Maybe just 2 is necessary. Maybe if I was using a real fun accent ribbon, maybe just 1 would be necessary. So really, again, you can design as you go. See what suits your eye. So let's tie her off. Put a zip tie also on there as your mechanics to attach her to your wreath. If you were making a smaller version, maybe the top of your lantern, don't forget to decorate those up. Gosh, I made so many bows for even a lot of our big bunnies we have in here. Just make a really cute version of it, kind of set it right there on her shoulder. Adorable. Now then, let me kind of tidy up all of her little tails. I don't know, what are y'all thinking? Tell me in the comments, what do you like? Do you like the color combination? Does it remind you of spring? And it's a beautiful day here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Where are you all watching from? She definitely is a bab. You know what that is. Big bow. I love her. Very fresh. What do y'all think?